What?
Huh?
What'd you say? You don't know. Are you talking to me?
Huh?
You trying to talk to me? Well, you got crayons? Let me see the crayons. Can I have them? I can't have the crayons? You just gonna walk away? You're not gonna listen? You gonna give them to Barbara? Marcellus, you know I'm recording you, huh? Why you not looking at the camera? Marcellus, why you being a butt? What? What? Your brother? Hey, you just woke up?
Yeah.
How you feeling? Feeling good? How you feeling? You feeling good too? Yeah? No. Are you ready to eat? You want to eat? What you looking at? The computer? You about to touch stuff? No. You want to go in the kitchen? Tell me to come on. I'm coming. Can I have the crayons? Can you give me one? Thank you. You're so smart. What color is this? This is green? Green crayon? You giving me another one? You're so cute. Can I have that one too? You not got blue. Oh, you want to put this in this hand? Okay. Wait, okay, I'll put it in the other hand. I was putting it in the wrong hand. Here. Bye.